90. Nah, ini museum.
Tempat terkenal untuk mengambil foto setelah lulus kuliah.
Oh, setelah lulus
Ya,
kuliah.
betul.
Foto-foto di
Fountain,
sini.
ya.
Lempar-lempar pol topi. Oh. Ya.
Dan pengantin wanita.
Mana? Oh, ada. Oh, ada orang kawin, orang nikah. Pengantin wedding. Oh. Kita. Oh, siapa itu? Oh, Amang kayak itu asal di sana. Apa foto Amang? Amang kayak ini. Wih, bacing apa foto ya? Oke. Foto paling foto. Oh, foto mantap. Foto-foto di sini. Foto-foto. Wih, siapa-siapa di sana. Wih.
Giving more history.
This is Andro, Lindsay, and this is Victor, Manya.
Oke.
Going.
Victor.
My friends who live in Amsterdam, in Holland.
Oh, Holland. Andro. Oh iya, Andro. Thank
So
you.
where are you sitting?
Oh, we literally just got here. I don't have glasses on, so I was like, I can't.
This is where we did volleyball last time, and it was pretty great.
Nah. Siapa yang foto di sana ini? Oh. Masih kenyang kita ini, sudah mau olahraga.
Do you guys want a beer?
I'm good. Tapi aku masih mau beli keconeng satu lagi tadi. Nanti kapan-kapan sih.
Halo. Ya, halo. Oh, kami sudah di apa kayak ini? Di Museum
Carlton Garden.
Carlton Garden. Iya, iya. Oke, ya kita tunggu, kita main voli di sini. Wih, ramai banyak sekali, ada juga orang kawin nih. Temannya belum ada, baru satu ini. Siapa namanya? Si Andro. Andro namanya. Coba lihat di live streaming kok, live streaming. Iya, iya, iya. Iya, iya.
And how did it go? I heard from other people that it was amazing. But yeah, are you happy?
And then she's done texting her friend. I think it was like I know who her boyfriend is. This was the one who was screening.
Oke, rem sumbung. Oke.
And he was
Mantap panggayo. Oke, baik. Wah, kamu di PO.
and asking
Nah, boleh cewek-cewek ini si karat terkenasanya cantik-cantik.
Described so
Hmm.
inaccurate.
Kenyang, kenyang. Awas melahirkan nanti kalau
Gimana cara kayak gitu?
Wih, banyak sekali di sini. Mantap-mantap orang di sini banyak. Berteduh. Oh iya. Wih, sesi orang sini ya. Sesi. Tengok.
I was so fucking young.
Bagaimana rasanya kalau kenyang main bola?
Mual-mual kayak gini ya, mual-mual.
Mual gara-gara kenyang. Dingin. Woi.
How did you guys find the screening? The screening on Thursday. You happy with how it went?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
They will now.
You went there?
No, I missed it. But I hope to watch. I hope we can figure out a way to watch it. But I heard from all my friends that it was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, really well received.
How long are you here for? Oh, cool. Hey.
This is Manya and Andrew.
Hey.
You met all of these guys the other night, yeah? Mark and Rara. This is Liv.
I don't know if we did. I don't think we met.
Yeah.
I was there.
Yeah.
I don't think we met though. Olivia.
I'm Rara. Nice to meet you.
And this is Victor.
Wahyu
Wahyu.
and Victor.
Ompit
Hey.
and ompit. Ya.
What were we doing on my country? We went to Warung SS, Indonesian restaurant. Was I talking to that Indonesian food on the phone the other day? Saying I really missed it. There's a really good Indonesian place open in Alice. Really? It's like the best restaurant. Really? For Alice Springs. I went there like 3 times a week for like the last 6 months that I was there.
Where House of Tallulah was.
Yeah, it was so good, and I feel like I haven't really come across enough Indonesian restaurants. Melbourne, yeah. Maybe Phuket. Yeah, actually, someone the other day said there was a good one on Lygon Street. Nice. Oh, cool. Feel like don't really. I need to get someone like needs to give me like recommendations. You never know. Yeah.
Are you from Melbourne?
But I just been away for like 8 years.
Oh,
I moved back in September.
yeah.
So
I've been away for 2 years. I'm still like everything looks shit. Like I don't know where I live. They're building so much stuff on this.
where are you living?
Yeah, I'm just getting lost. Even though like,
Mill Park is going up a lot.
around there, kind of like the freeway. Like it's like missing exits. And it's like 3 exits trying to get to the airport.
I kind of like getting lost sometimes. If I've got time, it's like,
Yeah.
that's cool. Like, I'm happy to just go down some random streets. Like, I've got a lot of time, so it's like not working at the moment. She's like, oh. Yeah, if it takes me 20 minutes longer to get there, that's fine.
Sometimes you find
And well, I can't park my car at my house because I don't have a parking permit. So I need to park at like a 10-minute walk away.
Where are you now?